Hey, my name is Dan. I used to work at the biggest dealership in the country, and now I teach fine folks like you how not to get fucked when buying a car. And when buying salvage cars and rebuild title cars, I actually made a video specifically about rebuild title cars, salvage vehicles, clean title, and all that stuff. I made a video just about that specifically. But this video is something that I really want to make a response to a really, I guess, popular YouTuber. His name is Scotty Kilmer. First off, I love this guy. I'm not doing this as clickbait. I'm not doing this just to get some views. Guys, I have, look at the fucking subscriptions, okay? Look at my subscriptions. Do I look like I'm aiming for a billion fucking views here? Just chill. I'm making this video because I honestly think that maybe Scott doesn't, I'm gonna say this, he doesn't know exactly how insurance industry works. I know he's older than me. I know he's a mechanic. I know he has more views than me. I know he has more subscribers than me. But I'm the guy that's actually I was in the industry of rebuilding cars. I would buy cars and all their friends and all their fucking relatives, there was like a community business. We would buy cars, we'd fix them, we would drive them ourselves, we would sell them. That was our fucking business. You would not believe how many people were involved in car electronics, rebuilding motors, fixing frame, repainting, all that stuff. There's a whole entire community of people that was involved in this. Let's watch this video, all right? And then I'm gonna go over a couple of different details that I strongly disagree, and I don't think Scott exactly understands how insurance works. Let's get started.
Rev up your engines!
Combo says, should I buy a used car with a salvage title? What is a salvage title? Thanks from why? Not a good idea ever to buy a car with a salvage title. A salvage title means this: an insurance company totaled that vehicle. It was either wrecked, flooded, stolen, smashed up, something bad happened to it. Then somebody buys that car from the insurance company really cheap. So you're getting a car that was totaled by an insurance company. And insurance companies total them for very good reasons. They don't just la-di-da, we'll total this one, we won't total that one. No, when they're really messed up, they total them. So it's never a good idea to buy those. The only way that it's good is if you know the truth. Like if you see one and it's got dings all over the roof and the hood from hail damage, then an insurance company will total it. If it was only hail damage, the car could run perfectly fine. You just be driving around with a car that's got a million dimples in it.
So Scott is talking about salvage vehicles and how the only time that insurance companies put these salvage vehicles onto auctions or they deem them totaled, okay? Now let's talk about how much it's gonna cost to repair a car. Scotty is saying that totaled vehicles become totaled because they're they're fucking destroyed. No. What determines if a vehicle is totaled or not totaled is not the amount of damage. It's the cost to repair it. It's also the depreciation on the vehicle. When you have a vehicle that will have a certain amount of damage on it, the owner is gonna say, hey, this is gonna go on my Carfax. I want depreciation paid off. I want 30-40% of the total vehicle cost paid to me right now because of the depreciation. Now this vehicle has depreciated overnight. The insurance company is gonna have to pay for that. That's number one. Number two, take a look at this accident right here. This is my car. I let somebody borrow it and they fucked it up. That's why you don't let people borrow your shit unless you want to turn your friends into enemies overnight, especially when they don't want to pay for shit. But that's another story. So this here, I can fix myself. Again, I can fix myself, which means I'm not gonna be repainting. I'm not gonna touch the car to fix it. I will just find the parts and I will do the work of finding the best possible painter's best possible, frame guy best possible, guy that's gonna put it all back together. You know, I'll find the people that will do all the work for me. That's what I say, do it myself. I'm not actually gonna be doing the work myself. And I can get everything done for $2,000 or less. Now, the Lexus dealership where I brought this car for estimate said, do you see this here? It's over $4,000. That's over $4,000 worth of damages. Now, the insurance company is seeing this this bill for over $4,000, and I'm gonna have to say, hey, I want this car depreciated on top of this, right? So the insurance company is looking at this, holy shit, we can either pay this guy, right? Or we can put this car on the auction, somebody else is gonna buy this car, and we're gonna get some of that money back from the car that's being sold. This is not a totaled car. It's not. But because the amount of money that Lexus is charging for the parts, or wherever the insurance company is gonna buy these parts, it's deemed totaled. This is not a totaled car, but it's gonna be deemed total if it's gonna go through insurance. Do you understand? It's not the amount of damage, it's the amount of money. Now, remember I said it's gonna cost $2,000 or less if I were to repair this myself, because I'm not gonna take this car to somebody who is getting paid $70 an hour in body shop. I'm gonna take this to a local mechanic that knows how to do this. You need a new fender, you need new hood, new bumper, you need new grill, new headlights. Put that shit in, do a good quality paint job, and instead of paying $300 or $400 or $500 because it's not gonna go through insurance, the mechanic that I'm gonna find is not gonna charge crazy amount of money. It's just like this. Hey, if you break your leg and if you have insurance, the hospital is gonna charge your insurance, your health insurance, insane amount of money, because they know that your insurance company is a multi-billion-dollar company just like your car company, and they can charge them wherever the fuck they want. But if you break your leg and you go to a hospital and you tell them, hey, fix it, I am paying for it, you're gonna get a way better rate. Much better rate. If you need anything done on your car, don't go through insurance. Fix it yourself. Now, these people that fix these cars, the professional mechanics, they're not going to be paying even $2,000 that I would pay to fix this car. It's going to be even less than that. They know where to get the cheapest parts. They know where to get the best people. They already have everything aligned. They do all the work themselves. They fix the car themselves. They paint it themselves. They do everything themselves. So it's going to cost them pretty much just parts and paint and all the stuff that needs to be put back in the car. So pretty much parts. And then they're going to sell this car. Guys, if you have a chance to buy a rebuilt title car, it's one of the best purchases you can ever make. Huge thank you for watching this video. Click here to subscribe, watch one of those two videos, and click the share button below the video. Did you enjoy the video? Did you find it useful? Do you think you're gonna save some money with it? Abso-fucking-lutely you will. Share this video on Facebook with somebody else. This is Dan Strong with 60 Minute Car. I'm signing out, and I'll see you in another video.